in a style that aims to capture the essence and majesty of Psalm 1, reformulated poetically. Blessed is he who walks not in the counsel of the wicked, nor stands in the path where sinners have tricked, nor sits where the scornful gather to jest, but in the Lord's law he finds his rest. His delight in this law, day and night, he finds, like a tree by the streams, which its water binds. It yields its fruit in season, its leaf never fades, and all he does, prosperity invades. The wicked are not so, but are like chaff blown away. They will not stand when judgment comes to stay, nor sinners in the assembly of the just, for the Lord guides the righteous, in him they trust. But the way of the wicked will lead to despair, for without the Lord their path is bare. If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, then subscribe and share this channel.